Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time we have discussed about the chemistry chapter 1, class 9. Now we will proceed and the basic definitions we will discuss. The first definition is matter. What is matter? You everybody know that everything which occupies space and having weight is called matter. So anything around us like book, bricks, and wood, iron, anything. Even air is also matter because air also occupies space and having weight. The other thing here, the diagram shows a state of matter. Here there are four state of matter, and uh, the first state it is solid, then liquid, gas, and plasma. We will discuss plasma as it's a very highly energized particle. So solid, you everybody know that everything which has definite shape and definite volume is called solid. Everything which has no definite shape but definite volume is called liquid. And anything, any matter which has neither definite shape nor volume, nor definite volume, so it is called gas. Plasma is the actually highly energized particle, or you can say that if a sky electricity passes through the atmosphere, molecules, particles, it is converted into highly energized ions. So plasma is actually highly energized ions. Here one thing is also shown here by the arrow energy diagram. It shows that in these four states, solid has low energy state, liquid has high, gas is more high, and plasma is at highest energy state. So in solids, molecules are in a vibrational motion, or kinetic energy of molecules are less. So it is at a low energy level. In liquids, as the solid, as the kinetic molecular energy of solid increases, it converted into liquid. And the same manner, if the kinetic energy of uh, liquid particles increases, it is converted into gas, and the same manner in plasma. So you can understand with this diagram that as the kinetic energy of the particles is increases, the state changes as they have high energy. So this line shows the energy level of these four states. Hope you will understand. Okay, thanks. Next we will start new definition. Allah Hafiz.